Welcome back. Right, today, hinges times 2. A bit of metal in my eye, irritating the hell out of me. We've got 2 hinges to put on from a van. I've got to get 2 angle irons, one go that way, one go that way. Here's the thing, right, the van, side on view, does that at the back on the body, but the frame that I put the door in is dead flat. The hinges are designed for dead flat, so I've got to cut the angles, 2 of them, and then I've got the flat plates. I've got to line up with the angle iron, not with the body. If I line up with the body, the hinges will go like that, and they just won't work. They'll break. So I've got one piece of box steel. I'm actually using up some scrap, which I don't mind doing because this is going to work out quite well. I do have another piece of angle I was going to use, but it's too thick and heavy, and it's a Saturday and it's absolutely whisper quiet outside at the moment. We're getting there, we're slowly getting there. We've got scuttle to do after the door and back end's been done, and then we can start work on the floor, get all the foot pedals sorted out, and then we'll get the engine running. Then we'll get up the top of the garden and chuck some crap on it, and then we'll start doing all the electrics, and then we'll get it out the front and get it ready for its MOT and engineer's report. So we're pretty damn close. Before I forget, the reason why there was no music on yesterday's video is because I accidentally deleted my entire music file by mistake when I was cleaning the hard drive up, and I've got to now download the whole blooming lot again off YouTube, and I just was too tired yesterday. Sorry about that. Well, what went wrong there? The welds just went shit. Like there's no gas coming out. We'll have to grind them back, but yeah, it's working, because now that I've sunk that hinge down, it's now really pushing on that door and it's giving me a good solid seal. So yeah, I'm quite happy with that. So it lines up. That could have done with being a bit closer, really. That would have took some of that sheer angle off, but I mean, look, I'd had to have turned to get that hinge closer into the door. That hinge there would have to have been spun, and I'd already done the holes and welded the plate on, so I was pretty screwed at that point. There are no more doors, so I'd say lesson learned for the next one, but as I said, there is no more doors, so that's the best I can come up with. So now we're going to wallop some weld on there, turn that old welder up and zap that hinge and see what happens. And put this on charge. I was hoping to give you a few more clips, like drilling out, running the bolts in and then swinging the door open on its own hinges, but I can't because I don't have any bolts long enough. The only thing I can think of is to take the door off, take it in the shed, and I was already planning to do this, is cut holes out to lighten it. So behind there I can cut the holes out, because there's no tube going through, so when you do the nuts up they're just going to crush it anyway. So I might do that, but I just don't know if I want to do it right this minute. Oh, that's got stiff all of a sudden. Oh, that has got stiff. And it's shifted. Okay, what went wrong then? Other than welding that block onto there. Ooh, sinister. Okay, I put a little bit too much heat on that bottom hinge and it shifted it. Shifted it off this line that way. Not the line from this angle down to that angle, but this one to this one. That knocked it out, so I've had to cut this bottom bit of hinge here and pull it out a little bit, but it seems to be fine now, unless it's the heat that's helping it. I don't know. That's as far as it will let me go though. So I think we might put a ram on that, or an arm or something to keep that door open. There you go. Shuts, but the holes are messed up there now. That one's still good, they're not. So I'm going to have to do some reworking over there. I'm done for the day. I think that's it. That's all I can do. It's going to be rain tomorrow, so I don't think we'll get much of that latch done, but we'll definitely make a start on it, and then hopefully Monday, if it ain't bad weather, we'll fit the latch. Once we've got the latch fitted, then we can finish the framing on the exterior side of the door. So I'm looking at this thing as I speak to you, so I can work it all out. Yeah, on the exterior of the door. Then we can skin the actual door itself, and then we'll start working on these sides here. And if I can get my finger to work, no, there you go. That skin and that skin needs sorting. So I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your likes. See you later. Bye bye.